Only you have the ability to be the best version of yourself. So join me on this journey as we explore the power of yoga to unlock your full potential. Let's begin. Welcome to today's practice. Take a moment to arrive grounded, steady, and open. Seated at the back of your mat, hips resting on your heels. Let the hands rest gently on your thighs and take a deep, cleansing breath in. Release. Beginning with a few slow shoulder rolls, drawing the shoulders up towards the ears, then back and down. Let the movement feel fluid, creating space across the chest, softening any tension. Arms rise to the sky and gently twist to the right, left hand to outer right thigh. Come through center, then twist to the left. Return to center, press into the shins, rising up, sweeping your hands to your lower back and lifting into a gentle back bend. Camel pose, keeping the hands at lower back or lower them to the heels. Rising out of the pose, bringing the hands to mat, and find your first down dog. Gently pedal your feet, bending one knee at a time, opposite heel towards the floor, alternating sides in a slow, rhythmic flow. Lower to all fours, right leg extends. Draw the right knee to chest, then push into three-legged down dog. Shift forward to high plank, knee to chest, and lower back down to all fours, right leg extended. One more time, knee to chest, pushing back, three-legged down dog, forward to high plank, knee to chest, and lower to the mat, leg extended, bringing the knee to chest, three-legged down dog, hold, and step the right foot forward to high lunge, arms extended. Twist to the right, left arm forward, right arm back, and return to center, arms reaching up. Continue to flow through this movement, letting the breath lead. Inhale to center, exhale to twist. Find stillness in high lunge. And step the left foot forward, chair pose. Fold forward at the hips, keeping the knees bent. Then rise back up to chair. Flowing dynamically through this, building strength and heat. Now dive forward into a forward fold. Halfway lift, flat back. Plant the hands, step or jump back to high plank, and flow through your vinyasa. From down dog, lowering to all fours, extend the left leg. Draw the left knee to chest and push back into three-legged down dog. Shift forward to high plank, knee to chest, then lower to all fours, left leg extended. One more time, knee to chest, push back, three-legged down dog. Left knee in, high plank, lower to the mat, left leg extended, knee to chest, push back, three-legged down dog. Step the left foot forward, high lunge, arms extended. Rotate your torso to the left and gently come back to center, repeating with this steady breath. Find stillness in high lunge. Now open into warrior two. Stay strong and steady as you pulse gently up and down. Reverse warrior. Return to warrior 2. Lifting the front heel while staying low. Hold. Flow back, reverse warrior. Lower the front heel. Warrior 2 for a breath. And pivot to face the side of the mat, sinking into goddess pose. Arms extended to the sky. Turn to the back of the mat, finding warrior 2 on the other side. Begin to pulse gently here, feeling the strength in your legs. Reverse warrior. Warrior 2, lifting the front heel, hold. Reverse warrior. Lower the front heel, warrior 2 for a breath. Pivot to the long edge of the mat, standing wide-legged forward fold. Bending into the right knee for side lunge, left leg extended. Reach both arms forward. Stay low and active. Press into the right foot, shifting the weight through center, bending your left knee, moving to the other side. Arms extend forward. Shift your weight through center and slowly lower to the mat, finding a wide-legged seated straddle fold. Bringing the arms forward. Walking the hands back in, rising up. Bring the soles of your feet together for butterfly pose. Sit tall, hands on knees. Bring the left hand to right knee for a twist. Moving through center and twisting on the other side. Return to center, settling into a comfortable cross-legged seat. Sweep the arms wide and overhead, letting the palms meet above. Then gently draw your hands down to heart center. Pause here, honoring your practice and the strength it awakened within you. Namaste.